Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pepper chicken fry at home. This juicy chicken is packed with flavor, easy to prepare, perfect with rice, fries, or as a side dish. Let's get started. I'll start by preparing the spice mix for cooking the chicken. So into my pot I'll add 2.5 cups of water, onions, 1 stock cube. I'll also go in with bay leaves, 2 tablespoons thyme, 2 tablespoons curry, half tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, and I'll slice my garlic in it. I'll mix it well and allow to boil. Now I'll go in with the clean chicken legs that I have for this recipe. I'll mix it to ensure that it sits properly in the lovely spiced water, and I'll cook it for 30 to 35 minutes. After this, I'll allow the chicken to cool down completely to absorb all the flavor in this chicken stock. By the way, this is called chicken stock. It's used for jollof rice, fried rice, or a lot of Nigerian cooking. Into my lined oven tray, I'll arrange the chicken. I found it very easy to bake when my oven tray is lined properly with baking paper, and I'll suggest you do the same as well. I'll arrange it properly and bake for 15 minutes to 100 degrees. I'll turn the chicken to the other side and I'll repeat the process again, 15 minutes to 100 degrees. Now, this is what the chicken looks like, and it's delicious, it's perfect, it is so yummy you can eat it as it is. But because I'm going to show you how to turn this into pepper chicken fry, let's continue. Here I have my pepper for the pepper mix. I'll be using bell pepper, 1 bell pepper, 1.5 onions, and 2 red long pepper. They're also called sweet peppers. I'll clean these peppers by removing the green stalk on top and the seeds inside. I'll also repeat the process for the red long peppers as well. I'll remove the green stalk on top, and then I'll also pull out the seeds from the inside. And as for the onions, of course, I'll peel the skin to reveal the lovely white part. I'm using white onions for this. You can also use red onions. Depends on what you like and what you have in your kitchen. I'll transfer all of this into my grinder and I'll grind it nicely. By nicely, I'll make sure it's not too smooth. Also, I added about 2 garlic. This is what it looks like. Let me show you exactly what you should aim for. Now it's time to fry. Into my frying pan, I added 1/3 cup cooking oil, vegetable oil to be precise. And now I'm going to fry onions in that oil for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll go in with 2 tablespoons thyme, 1 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons curry powder, and I'll mix well and allow to fry for about 2 minutes. I'll go in with the pepper mix that I made earlier. Feel free to rinse out your blender if you want to, okay? It's perfectly fine. You just have to cook it a bit longer. I'll mix it well to ensure that it coats properly with everything already in the pan. Now, here, this is optional, but it's really nice. I'll go in with a 1/4 cup of chicken stock. That's some of the stock I got earlier from cooking the chicken. I'll also crumble 1 stock cube into the mix and add a little bit of salt and, of course, half teaspoon chili pepper. You can use more or you can use less. I'll mix it properly so that it combines nicely. Now it's time for the roasted chicken. I'll simply let it sit in the sauce as you can see in the video. Then I'll cover the pan and allow it to cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. Let me show you what it looks like. But we're not done yet. So to ensure that it absorbs the sauce and the chicken is well coated, I'll turn it to the other side again and then I'll cook it for 10 minutes, this time around on low heat. And after extra 10 minutes, let me show you exactly what it looks like. You've waited this long to get the end result, so make sure you watch this video to the end. This right here is it. That's it. I've just shown you how to make delicious, flavorful pepper chicken. It is ready to serve. Enjoy it with rice, fries, or even as a delicious appetizer. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, tasty recipes. Till I post my next video. Bye.